In today's crowded space, leveraging AI is essential to stand out and effectively reach customers, allowing marketers to manage ever-growing communities without any hassle. In this video, we're going to introduce you to our top 7 picks for AI-powered social media marketing tools, so get ready to learn how integrating AI can give your social media strategy a competitive advantage. Hootsuite. Kicking off our list is Hootsuite, an all-encompassing social media management solution that seamlessly combines scheduling, monitoring, and analytics within a single, user-friendly platform. This tool integrates effortlessly with major social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, even supporting Google Analytics integration. From scheduling messages and creating posts to monitoring activities and analyzing reports, Hootsuite empowers you with complete control over your social media presence. Noteworthy features include a calendar dashboard for centralized post visibility, customizable streams for staying updated on industry trends, competitor monitoring, and analytics providing insights into optimal content sharing times. With reasonably priced paid plans and a 30-day free trial, Hootsuite offers a comprehensive toolkit for exploring advanced social media management. Iconosquare. Following closely is Iconosquare, a social media automation tool empowering brands to analyze and strategize campaigns across various social profiles. Its standout feature is advanced analytics, providing insights into post engagement, impressions, follower evolution, and more. Iconosquare collects data on audience demographics, geolocation, and language. The tool facilitates automated content scheduling, profile monitoring, and competitor tracking. With a 14-day free trial, Iconosquare allows users to explore its features before opting for a suitable plan. Writesonic. Next in line is Writesonic, a standout AI-powered copywriting tool excelling in generating SEO-optimized, unique content swiftly. This versatile tool covers short and long-form content creation, from social media ads to blogs, based on provided topics and keywords. It simplifies the content creation process and even facilitates effortless landing page generation. Offering both free and paid plans, Writesonic's free plan includes features like generating over 10,000 words, access to pre-designed templates, and Zapier integration. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks additional word limits and features. Quaya. Another notable inclusion is Quaya, a content automation website designed to enhance social media marketing efforts. Seamlessly integrating with over 10 social media platforms, Quaya simplifies the creation, generation, and scheduling of captivating content. With both free and premium plans available, users can effortlessly manage social media presence. Ad Creative. Making its mark on our list is Ad Creative, an AI tool streamlining the creation of captivating ad creatives by automating various elements like images, videos, headlines, and copywriting. With an extensive library of templates and color schemes, Ad Creative simplifies the ad creation process. It offers a 7-day free trial and diverse plans catering to different marketing needs. Social Mention. Our next recommendation is Social Mention, a dedicated social media search engine ensuring comprehensive monitoring of brand mentions and comments. Going beyond traditional platforms, Social Mention monitors blogs, news sites, and online sources, providing valuable insights and real-time monitoring. With both free and paid plans available, users can tailor their usage based on specific needs. Vidyard. Concluding our list is Vidyard, a potent video marketing platform facilitating the creation, hosting, and management of videos. Vidyard allows for personalized videos with interactive elements and detailed analytics to measure performance. Its standout feature is the ability to track and analyze video performance, fine-tuning strategies based on viewer behavior. Offering seamless integration with marketing automation and CRM platforms, Vidyard enhances the incorporation of videos into existing workflows. Well, that's a wrap on AI-driven social media marketing tools in 2024. We hope this video was helpful for enhanced efficiency and success in your digital endeavors. Stay tuned for more curated content designed to fuel your hustle. Subscribe for regular updates, and until next time, keep hustling.